In the majority of industrial environments, you mainly have to manage two types of dust. Heavy dust on floors, machines, and light airborne dust. Hi, I'm Federico, and today we will see together how to properly manage them. In many situations, you have to constantly face the buildup of scraps, waste, heavy dust settled on floors, on machines, and sometimes you have to manage liquids or separate lubricants from metal sheets. This can affect your production efficiency, and this is why you need a high suction force. And this is why you need the muscle of our system, the industrial vacuum cleaner. The main characteristic of this machine is to deliver a very strong pulling force, thanks to the high suction level. To reach the target, according to the industrial application, we can configure it with different types of motors: brushless, bypass, and, like in this case, side channel blowers. But what about the light suspended dust? In many applications, you might find grinding, discharging, and mixing activities, which generates a very light and suspended dust. This dust can go on all the surfaces of the plant, or critically, be inhaled by your operator, generating a high risk for their health. To solve these issues, you don't need the industrial vacuum cleaner. You need the lungs of our systems, the dust collector. Instead of a high suction force, the dust collector generates an important airflow thanks to the highly efficient electric fan. Connected directly to your machinery with flexible hoses or equipped with an articulated extraction arm, the dust collector will capture the airborne dust right at the source. It works in continuous duty and collects the dust before it can ever spread. We know that every industrial environment has its specific challenges. That's why we designed fully customizable vacuum cleaners and dust collector, tailor-made around your specific production need. Still unsure on which is the right configuration for your production process? No problem, get in touch with us. We will analyze together your application and provide you the best solution.